This is me starting my YouTube channel in 2024 with what I have and where I am right now. Okay, so if you're watching this video and probably you're thinking, why is his videos not as crystal clear as other content creators' videos? I want you to understand that I'm recording my video on my Android phone, a Redmi 12C, and I'm using my front camera because I don't know how other people use their back camera, but I am using my front camera to record. And then I'm using a wired microphone that I got from Jumia. I got this microphone like last year. I think I got it for like 3,000 naira last year on Jumia. And then I'm using a tripod that I also got from a plastic tripod that I also got from Jumia. I can't remember how much, but I'm going to put the picture of the tripod on the screen, the picture of the microphone as well on the screen. I got all of this from Jumia, and yeah, it is a, what is it called, a Yutang tripod that I got from Jumia. And then I'm also using a ring light because as at the time of recording this video is almost midnight, almost 11:30 thereabouts, almost at midnight, that I'm starting my YouTube channel. And yeah, fortunately for me, there's light, so I'm using my ring light, and it's about 18 inches ring light that I got from Austin 7070, yes, right here in Abuja at Banex, and that is what I am using right now. I'm recording right here in my single room apartment and no studio, so everything that you're seeing me using right here, it is what I have right here right now, starting my YouTube channel with everything that I have right now. Of course, I cannot wait for the right moment, the right equipment, or the right situation to start. So yeah, I am starting. So welcome to my YouTube channel, and I hope that you hit the subscribe button and then you follow me on this journey. So on this channel is going to be about helping you grow on YouTube with practical tips, tutorials, and strategies, from mastering YouTube SEO to optimizing your content for more views and gaining the ultimate 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of YouTube watch time to meet the YouTube threshold for monetization. I will cover everything you need to succeed as a creator on the YouTube streets. So let's grow together. And to start with, click the video on the screen right now to see the definition of SEO and how to go about the YouTube SEO optimization.